It's really just a lot of glitz on a card. No. Hi, I'm Michelle Hoff, and I am the Commercial Preventative Maintenance Consultant for Vogel, and I've been here for 3 years. So basically what I do for Vogel in the commercial division is I speak to the business owner, the facility management folks about the value of preventative maintenance and being more proactive than reactive when it comes to servicing their heating and cooling equipment within the facility. Oh. Something on fire? Like, I love the smell of like the sulfur off of a match when it's struck. I love that smell, or burning wood. If that makes me wrong, I don't want to be right. I'd probably be a giraffe because it's my favorite. And who doesn't like a long neck and you can see everything? No, I think I've just really have always loved them and gravitated to them. And then kind of a funny thing, I think too, as a kid, and this is a St. Louis thing, is the old Noah's Ark restaurant. As a child, we could not wait for our parents to get home, and they would bring back the drink stirs, because you know they were having a couple. And they were always the long-necked giraffes, and I always thought they were the neatest thing, and I would hold on to them and keep them. Those were like my favorite thing. Oh man. Well, I grew up in the 80s, so anything neon, biker shorts, the poofed up hair. Now granted, I wasn't allowed to wear makeup, so I went sky high with the bangs. Like if I could, it was like the perfect poofed triangle. I've had some pretty terrible hair. Yeah, it's all gonna come back eventually, so yeah. Z Cavaricci's, VIP. You know, the IOU sweatshirts. Oh yeah. Stonewash, acid wash. That's back. That's sad, but it's back. I had a boss at one time get into my company car and questioned who she hired when she heard the hip hop music playing in my car as she started it up. It took her by surprise. You know, regulators with some Warren G and all of that, that's me. I can go back to the 80s, and I love the 80s music as well. Like, who doesn't like Taylor Dayne? Come on. I'll say like one of my favorite jams is Funky Town by Lip Sync. Oh yeah.
Can you give us a little bit?
No way.
I tried.
My husband's still trying to get me to do the dance that I choreographed to it with my childhood friend. Absolutely not.